Welcome to this step-by-step guide on building an AI chatbot using Apexbot-Studio AI. Today we'll create a chatbot for Shop America.io on e-commerce platform. And see, you can customize your bot. And that includes the name of the bot, the headline, and lastly, description. Every particular bot must have an AI to help the AI with the information. For the customers, you can also have a quick buttons for the information. You can also upload files. You will insert a text, your website URL, and a question and answers. It is also similar to the automation in Facebook page. Like what we said, you can customize the entire chatbot. This AI chatbot can connect your Facebook page. Once that you set this up, you will have no problem, because the AI will do the work communication to the customers. But this will be your life changer. You can place your bot to a different websites. As you can see, you can customize your own AI. You will choose the role of the bot as well the tone. Don't worry, the ChatGPT will give you a sample instructions. The ChatGPT will provide the instructions. And if you see an error, you can edit it. How cool is that, right? We are done after you edit the instruction. Try to test your bot.